Hello, welcome to lesson 16. In this video, I will explain two finals, A and The first one, A, the pronunciation is similar to English alphabet A. When you want to pronounce it, you combine and E. These two we have learned in the previous videos. So you put these two alphabets together and speak it out very quickly. A. Next one is When you pronounce this one, you first pronounce and then bring the tip of your tongue up. Make it a curve. So say So the difference between and is the position of your tongue. You could feel the tip of your tongue go up and curve. And the pronunciation is a little bit similar to earth, but remember, bring the tip of your tongue up and curve it. For final A, it can be combined with bo, po, mo, fo, de, ne, le, ge, and he. It cannot combine with te, ke, ji, qi, xi, zhi, chi, shi. In the left-hand side, these are the combination of initials and final A. For it doesn't combine with anything else. Actually, it only pronounces itself. There are only three pronunciations for which are second, third, and fourth tone. Er. For the first one, it means sun. Second one, is ear. Third one we pronounce as is fourth tone. It means two. And usually when we talk, we don't say we say R. It's a little bit different. R means two. These three characters are easy to learn and write. So I will show you how it is written. For the first one, means sun. It's only two strokes. First, second. So you write like first and second. For the second character is means ear. Let's write it. The first stroke from the top. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and the last one, close everything. And for the number 2, it's easy, just two stretch. 1, 2. Next one, I would like to introduce the direction, north. It's bo, a, bei, means north, the direction. Let's practice something we have learned for west and east. West. Do you remember what is that? It's xi, xi, xi. And east. Dong, deong, dong. So far we learned xi, dong, and bei. We will learn what is the south in the future. Next one is a combination of mo and a, fourth tone. Mo, a, mei. Mei means younger sister. You see, again we repeat, we double this character. They are exactly the same, but the last one pronounced light. Mei. If you pay attention on the way this character is organized, you will see it's the left-right structure with a female sign. Mei. Next one is fly. a, fei is the first tone. a, fei. So when it's flying, our air flight is fei. Next one is tired. Le, lay, first tone. Tired. Le, lay. You will see it's from the top to bottom structure, two sides. You see a field shape, right? We are very familiar with this for now. Why you are tired? Because you work hard in the field. So it has a reason for the combination of this character. Le, lay. Next one is a combination of ge and a, third tone. Ge, gei means gave. Or you can sometimes use as to or for. Gei. The last one is a color, black or dark. He, hei, first tone. So when you say a coffee is dark, we call hei. We say hei cafe means dark coffee. Okay, this is all the content for this video. I wish you learned the writing of that and r, and also the meaning of these important characters. Thank you for watching. If you want to receive the update video on time, please remember to subscribe my channel.